Alright guys, my topper's on the truck. It's got the storage boxes in it. I have put lights in the storage boxes, so it's lit up. The other thing you'll see is I have mounted USB ports here so that, and if you look at it carefully, you're going to notice that there is a switch to turn on and off the, and with that plugged in, and what I'll do is I'll shut this light off so that you can see when I turn these lights on. Obviously I can go with the yellow or I can go with the white, but they're in there and work perfectly. Changing to white and off and off. All right, in the back end, yeah, pretty dark unless you go hit that little red light there. Then the lights come on, and there you can see my open road big box, which is for my emergency supplies, and my small box, which is my toolbox. And we'll put that back off again. And then over to this box again. Had it dark in there at night. Hit the switch and we're all lit up. Turn the switch back off. We also have another awning on this side. You can see it up there. Now we've also added a couple extra lights to this, and if you'll notice, we have what we call a yard light or spotlight on the side of the truck. It's on both sides. As you can see, it lights up everything pretty well. So even with the canopy out, we don't have a problem with light. And then, because we will be using this during hurricanes and bad weather, you'll also notice that we have flashers on the back on both sides. And that should pretty much give you a rundown of my truck.